a chocolate factory tour today on the farm in Lahaina. Different colors of chocolate. Very interesting how it's made. There's some light colors, there's some purple colors. If you've never done this chocolate factory tour before, I would highly recommend it. And if you have, let me know what you thought, as I think it is very cool, if you like chocolate, to experience how they grow it here and support the locals. The tour is up in Lahaina and would highly recommend it. So again, if you're a chocolate lover, this may be something you want to try, as they've already given away 3 pieces of chocolate. Aloha.